Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video about find and replace and why to use it. I had somebody watch one of my videos and said, well, why don't you just select the ones you want to change? Well, on this page, there are 273 name badges, and this line right here is a 2-point line. And your customer goes, I like it, but I want the line a little thinner. Well, this is where you could use find and replace, and it would help you a lot. Replace object, replace pin outline. And I do have my units changed to points. And so I'm going to find all the 2-point lines, and I want to change them to a 1-point line, and then hit finish, replace all. Now Corel takes just a second, and this would depend on how fast your computer is, but it's almost done, and it's replacing 273 lines on your sheet with a thinner line. It would have taken you a long time, and you would have had to start over possibly and change the line and then make your duplications. And while I'm here, the same thing, we've got 273. Let's do this. Let's find and replace text. Let's find Doug. Now you would never do this because you would never have that many name badges with the same name, but it'll just kind of show you here. So it's going to go through and it's going to replace 273 Dougs in just a matter of seconds. It's thinking, and like I said before, on your computer it might be even a little faster because it's actually having to go through there and change them. But it changed 273 name badges, and this would especially work if you were just changing the date from one year to the next year. So that's why to use it, or how to use it, and why. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.